What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to increase mouse pointer size in Windows 10. We will show you the setting you have to use to increase the mouse pointer size, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Alright, so what exactly you have to do to increase the mouse pointer size in Windows 10? First, click on Windows icon. Here you have to click on settings. In here you can see in devices it says Bluetooth printer mouse, click on it. Here on the left hand side you will see mouse. By the use of cursor speed you can increase the setting, or if you are looking for to increase the mouse setting, then click on adjust mouse and cursor size, and from here you can increase the mouse size as per your requirement. If you would like to increase it more, then you can increase more. If you like to change the mouse color, then you can change it from here. If you like to do more setting, part of having these setting which you can see in here, then you have to click on additional mouse options, and from this mouse properties you can change a lot of things. As you can see in the buttons, you can see the button configuration, switch primary and secondary button. Select this checkbox to make the button on the night that one you use for primary functions such as selecting and dragging, double click speed, turn on click lock, enable you to highlight or drag without holding down the mouse button. To select, briefly press the mouse. If you like to change any other pointer size from here, you can select that option from here. As you can see, my pointer interface has been changed. So if I'll select this one, then I can see something like this. I simply have to click on apply and then I'll definitely see the difference. If you want to change to something else, like if you used to do the gaming and if you'd like to change the pointer to different image, then you simply have to click on browse and you can select that image from here. There is a different format of your image that what you have to select from here. Make sure you download the same format image so that you can set up pointer image in here. After this you can change the pointer options. You can see select a pointer speed, automatically move pointer to a default button in our dialog box, display pointer trail. You can use this option as well. If you select this and click apply, then you can see it's gonna show you different options. As I have clicked on apply, that's why my pointer size has been increased, and there are a lot of other things also has been increased in here. So I can simply switch back to the normal one. You can change some hardware settings as well from here, or the wheel changing settings as well. So you can change a lot of things from mouse properties. So this is the thing which you can change, or if you just want to change the cursor, then you can simply increase and decrease from here. That's all you have to do. I hope you like this video. Leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.